Need to locate the code for an existing Google Calendar? It's really easy. While logged into Google, visit Google Calendar at calendar.google.com. Locate the specific calendar to be added to a web page. Tap on the three dots to the right and select Settings and Sharing. Scroll down the page and locate the code labeled Embed Code. Copy the full HTML tag. The HTML tag will end with iframe. Provide the code to your webmaster, or if you are placing the calendar on a web page, paste the full line of code into the web page at the correct location on the page. The HTML code inserted on a web page is not part of the web page. The HTML code is part of Google, and anytime any change is made to the Google Calendar's public information, it changes on your web page as well.